Bicol province is one of the top visited places in the Philippines. This place where you can find the perfect cone-shaped Mayon volcano and Albay. Bicol is also popular with various magnificent falls and beaches which are perfect for your summer escape. You can find spicy and delicious food in province. People are coming back not just to see the beauty of wonder in Bicol, but because of its mouth-watering delicacies. Dinuguan with puto can be found in other regions, but there is distinctive style of cooking in Bicol. Every Filipino knows that dinuguan came from the pig's blood and they cook it together with the pig's meat. To make it Bicolano style, chili pepper is added. It is more delicious if puto is added to the cuisine. Laing o pinangat. This dish can usually seen in carinderia and other restaurants. Laing usually showcases as a legitimate Bicolano dish. The ingredients are gabi or taro leaves, coconut milk, and chili pepper. It is affordable because most of Filipinos have taro plants on their backyard. Ginataang labong is made of bamboo shoots, coconut milk, shrimp paste, or sardines. To make it in Bicolano style, chili pepper is added to this dish. For more improved taste, you can use fresh shrimp. Bamboo shoots peak seasons is during rainy days. Tilmok dish can be found in Bicol region. This is well known to locals and even foreigners. The ingredients used for this is coconut, meat, and crab. They are all mixed together and wrapped with the banana leaves. After attaching together, prepare it to be steamed. Ginataang santol. In Bicol, everything is possible with coconut milk. It is one of the signature products of Bicolanos because most of the time, you can see it everywhere. You can cook fruit with this. One example is santol. The combination of sour fruit with coconut milk is uniquely surprising. Pansit Bato. This noodles dish originates in Bato, Camarines Sur. To cook this, you have to boil the noodles first. From a separate pan, stew the other ingredients like onion, garlic, pepper, cabbage, and carrots. You can add meat if you want. Pansit Bato is the best served with vinegar and pandesal. Pili nuts can be found easily in Bicol region. You can find pili nuts in Pasalubong Center and store for desserts. Most people who visit Bicol buy pili nuts as their pasalubong for their family and friends. Bicol region is popular with banana products. To cook sinapot, the banana should be saba or cardaba banana variety. It should be peeled and sliced into two. In a bowl, mix flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, and water. It should be deep fried.